Jessie was playing a soccer game today. She had been playing soccer for 5 years. She loved soccer. She played the position forward. As a forward, she had to try to make goals. She loved playing soccer because of the different skills it required. She liked kicking and also running. The team they were playing against was known to be good and had been undefeated so far. The game was going to start in an hour. She was a little nervous. Her team warmed up, they stretched, they practiced passing the ball around, they practiced taking shots at the goal. Jessie felt pumped up and ready for the game.